2025. And thank you for coming and covering this event. You may ask as many questions as you want from our winners. Unlike other press calls where you will limit you to 1 or 2 questions, you can ask anything. You can even ask about this universe if you wish, because our main title holder, female, is the daughter of a business universe. Okay, so I will introduce them one by one. It's been 10 or 11 days since their wins, and by now, same na sa kanila ng mga panalo. So without further ado, in reverse order, sabi na ni Julia Morning, in reverse order, we will introduce first our 2-second runners-up. The first of the 2 is actually, well, I would call him Mr. Nice Guy of LFCP, because he is one of the nicest guys among the male candidates. I'm not saying that hindi nice pa. Sobrang nice na talaga. Kasi dalawa pa ng good looks and presence. So talaga, nakakatuwa yung bata nito. Let me introduce you to the Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines second runner-up. Male, Mr. Chinatown Philippines second runner-up, Naya Chin. Naya? Naya, welcome message